Hello, in this 1.20.1 Minecraft modpack development video, we're going to be looking into an example of the BlockEvents.rightClicked event listener. If you find this sort of content informative, please give this video a like, comment with any questions or future video ideas. Note this video is a video suggestion from one of my comments. And also feel free to subscribe to the channel to never miss future videos. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. This is a fantastic server hosting partner that provides lots of great benefits for Minecraft and many other games. So if you find this interesting, feel free to check out my affiliate link in the description below. That'll bring you to this website that I got the screenshot from. There's plenty of great information there that can help inform possible purchase that aligns with your needs and budget. So again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. But now let's get started with the code. So we're going to be using the synopsis of this example is when right-clicking a particular block with a particular item, a particular mob will spawn. So we're going to do block events dot right-clicked, and then inside here you can either pass in a block or you can just put in the event handler. We're going to do the latter. So the first thing we're going to do here is extract the particular things from the event itself. So we're going to do constant. We want the player. We want the block. We want the level or the world. That's really what the world means. The item, and then the hand. And we're going to make that equal to event. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to make sure we're only going to track the player's main hand. So if the hand, so that's the first one of those that we need. If the hand is not equal to main hand, make sure that do exactly like that, or won't work. We want to return. But at this point, we know that we're using the main hand. So next, we want to see what the main hand item is, and we want to see what the targeted block is. So we're going to do another if statement. So if player dot and then main hand item, if that's equal to Minecraft, we're going to do col as the item that the player is holding, and we're going to do and, so that's double ampersand, and then the targeted block ID. So that's the next one we're going to use. If that is equal to netherrack, we're going to move into this if statement block. So the first thing we want to do is create an entity. So we're going to do an internal variable here called entity, and we're going to make that equal to level.create entity, and then we want to pass in what the entity type is. So here we're going to do a wither skeleton. Next, we want to set the position of the entity. So we're going to do entity.set position. And this takes in an x, y, and a z. So we're going to do block.x plus 0.5, so it's in the center. Then we're going to pass in block.y plus 1, so it's not spawning in the block. And then we're going to do block.z plus 0.5. So again, it's in the x and z, make sure that's in the middle. And then finally, we're going to do entity.spawn. And what we want to do here is we want this operation to consume one of the items. So to do that, we're going to do if the player is not in creative, we're going to do item dot, we're going to decrement the count of the item. And then we're going to do event.cancel, so any normal item operation doesn't happen. So that's useful if you're using a block. Next example here is going to be basically the opposite. So that's, first of all, just copy and paste all of this all the way down to here. So here we want to do the offhand. So again, it has to be exactly like that. And then here we're just going to specify an item and not a targeted block. So we're going to do if player.offhandItem is equal to ice. So if that's the case, we're going to basically do a similar thing here. So we're going to create an entity. Well, let's just do a stray this time. We're going to keep the position the same. We're going to spawn the entity. We're going to decrement the item count. In this case, the offhand item count. And then we're going to cancel an operation. So an ice block won't actually place down. So if you found this example informative, please give this video a like, comment with questions or more video ideas, and even if it's an example, I'd be happy to do that. Please subscribe to the channel to never miss out on future uploads. Thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. And otherwise, thank you for your time watching this video, and have a great day.